All right, this is a project that you could use this in your kitchen. You could use concrete countertop in your kitchen and it will beautiful. All right, so what we're going to do now, these two pieces of steel is to strengthen this area over here. Right in this area here, this gonna strengthen the area, so this will be perfect. All right, but like I said, there's other people who might have put steel, who might have put other things inside of there, but I'm not going there. All right, so let's go, guys. Let's see how this thing gonna work. So what we do, we put some in here first. I'm gonna show you how we do this. Put some in here first. Guys, these are priceless information, guys. Please hit that like button, guys. This is priceless information. Information to make you save a bunch of money, guys. All right? Please support the channel. I will truly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you, guys, for being a part of Planter Garden TV. Supporting, liking, sharing. Appreciate you guys so much. So you guys see what's going on here, right? So in this area here is actually where you might want to put your pipe. All right, this is where you're going to put your pipe, but we're not really going to be putting a pipe because it's going to be outdoor. And you know what, I might just leave a hole for the sake of it. So this is actually a concrete countertop. Have you guys seen the output as yet? Have you guys seen the output as yet? Thank you all so much for the support, guys. Please hit that like button. Please support. Please hit the like button. Encourage us, guys. What we're doing, we're sharing positive information that can save you a bunch of money. Please double tap the screen. Double tap the screen, guys. Come now. So over here, we're gonna do the same thing like what we now do over there. All right. We're gonna put some in, and then we're gonna push it down, push the steel down. Now, this is to strengthen, because if you notice, this is gonna be a small area right here. This is gonna be pretty thin. So this piece of metal is what gonna strengthen this area, which is very important, very important. Strengthening. Come on, guys, that's what I'm saying, Pyogo. Over 400 people and only 28 likes for this kind of information. Come on, guys, come on. This is live demonstration, guys. Support the channel, guys. Come on, guys. Support the channel. Yes, of course. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. This is priceless information you get in here. Like I said, guys, you can use steel, you can use BRC wire, you can use all of that to strengthen it, okay?
Yes, yes. Let's get 40 likes in the next 5 minutes.
All right, so we got to mix more, guys. This is concrete mix, and this is the right thing to use. This is the right thing to use to make concrete countertop. You cannot just use mortar. You surely cannot just use mortar. You got to use concrete. All right. This project I'm doing here gonna cause you thousands of dollars. I'm telling you. If someone come out to build a concrete countertop for you, believe it or not, it's gonna cost you a few $1,000s. Yes, it's gonna be cheaper than the granite, but it's gonna cost you.